Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix download error 802.4.8007, then stick around for the solutions. So now the only solution for this error is to delete the contents of the software distribution folder. There are two ways we can do that. The easier way is to look for disk cleanup and open it, clean up system files. So this will delete the contents of that folder and should resolve the issue. Now, if by some chance it does not delete the contents of software distribution folder or disk cleanup fails to work as intended, then we can do the same thing through the basic method of command prompt. Now we have to type these commands or copy and paste these commands in command prompt. These commands will be found in the description of this video. So you can copy and then paste them in command prompt. We look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will copy these commands. We will copy these commands into command prompt. So this should solve the problem. I hope this video helped you. If so, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.